Did you know that in 2011, Mini unveiled a race-ready coupe designed specifically for the grueling 24 hours of Nurburgring? The Mini JCW Coupé Endurance wasn't just a car, it was a testament to Mini's commitment to motorsport excellence. The JCW Coupé Endurance was powered by a specially tuned 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 250 horsepower and 330 Nm of torque, with overboost. This setup propelled the car to a top speed exceeding 240 km per hour, making it a formidable contender on the track. Unlike its road-going counterparts, the race car featured a sequential 6-speed gearbox with an electronic differential lock, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes and optimal power distribution during high-speed maneuvers. Aerodynamics played a crucial role in its design. The car sported the John Cooper Works aerodynamics package, including a front splitter, rear diffuser, and an adjustable rear wing, all contributing to enhanced downforce and stability at high speeds. Safety and handling were paramount. The Coupé Endurance was equipped with a welded-in roll cage, Recaro racing seat with a 6-point harness, and a Hans system. Its KW race suspension with adjustable compression and rebound ensured precise handling on the demanding Nürburgring circuit. This car wasn't just a one-off showpiece, it served as a preview for the series production Mini Coupe, which debuted later in 2011. The Endurance Racer provided valuable insights and data that influenced the development of the production model. The 2011 Mini John Cooper Works Coupé Endurance stands as a shining example of Mini's dedication to performance and innovation. Born for the green hell, it left an indelible mark on motorsport history. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thank you for watching.